Hello and welcome back to Coastal Motorsport. I am currently in Idaho. I'm on a sort of a USA road trip with the family. But the videos aren't going to stop. The boys have been working amazingly hard to get the Camaro ready for a track day, test day next week. So let's see what they've been up to. I've got loads of sort of clips of video, so I'm just going to kind of mash it all together and see what we get. But yeah, enjoy.
Engines roar, the lights ignite, coastal's rolling out tonight. Tires bite and the engines call, full send, we're giving it all. Thunder rising, chasing the line, workshop built and race refined. From the garage floor to the trackside fight, coastal's here, light it up tonight.
What are we doing then?
I'm getting stressed.
Paul's a little bit stressed.
So
He's single-handedly wrapped the entire wing, and it's a stressful process by the looks of it.
it is. I've never wrapped a car before. Apart from that, there's a couple of little imperfections on it, but we can stick over that. It's a really big thing. It's just a massive thing, and I'm like, I've watched videos, but anyway, we're doing it. It's there. We've done the roof. Look, we've just got to trim it. It's going to be fine.
So far, so good. What do you reckon, Paul?
Wow, it's not too bad. I don't think this is the best. What's it called? We're doing? It's wrapped.
Wrap, yeah.
Give it
Give it a
I
chance.
think it's the best wrapped in the world because she's quite thick and it was quite cheap. But we're getting there. We've done it, Thomas.
There's no we, Paul, it's all you. I just held the wrap a few times.
Come on.
You're the brains.
Come on now, bruv. Come on now. There's no I in Coastal Motorsports, is there? I hope there isn't.
You join us here at Coastal on a very rainy Monday morning. Quick shout out to two of our viewers, Amy and Dean, bought their lovely V12 Vantage S in for a oil change, a quick check over. Beautiful car, lovely spec. Real pleasure to have it in. We're doing our best to try and keep on top of the videos because obviously Charlie's not here at the moment. As we've explained, he's on this little holiday. So we've got to do our best. You've had some challenges today, haven't you?
Wrapping.
Wrapping again, another day of wrapping, but
It's been an experience.
come on, we've got to stay positive. Look at it, it's mega, mate.
We've done it.
We've done it.
I've got half a bonnet to do in a wing now, really.
Yeah.
So
Should we have a little look?
trim this up and everything.
Focus and look at the front. Ash is busy on the brakes. How you getting on, Bur?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Getting there.
We got half a stripe on as well. Right. It's Tuesday, Paul.
Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. What are you currently doing? You're currently handling the intake.
I am manhandling the intake at the minute because the intake is unfortunately the wrong size for the tube. But for today,
For today. You say for today, Paul. Why are you saying for today?
because, ladies and gentlemen, for your eyes only, she's going up the road in half an hour.
Now, what we appreciate, obviously, we haven't really kept in touch with everything. Paul and I have been flat out and we haven't really had a chance to pick the camera up. So
No.
there's a lot of stuff that we can fill you guys in with when we get it back up in the air.
Yeah.
Bits and bobs we've done. And all that sort of good stuff. But for now,
We'll run through it.
Yeah.
Now we're just
we're just getting it to the point where it's,
make sure everything's all tight
yeah.
and and we're going to take her down the road. So watch this space.
But before we call Rob out, because we're going to take up the road, we just need to make sure it moves first. So Paul, if you want to do the honours, mate.
Can I?
This is the process. Wiring's a bit of a mess at the moment because we're not finished yet, but you hit the old kill switch. We've got a nice little animation as you hear the pumps come on of our car.
Look at that beautiful car
Very nice.
built, Tom.
And then you wait for the old dash to wake up, and then you've got an unleash the beast button. If you tap that, there we go. Bob in gear. This is a big moment, Paul. Let's see if it moves. Oh my lord.
Hey.
You've just driven the Camaro, Paul.
I've just driven the Camaro.
How does it feel?
I feel emotional because it's been a long journey and it's been a massive, massive build, considering we built this from scratch. Because it was if you go right back to the videos when it was getting sandblasted, we'll click that in.
Yep.
Okay.
Very nice.
And, to what it was like to actually do. We practically restored the car because we had to put new panels on it to make decent molds. So, you know, and then we took all the panels off it and are in a pile somewhere out the back because anybody wants to buy any panels for and it's done. And it's just moved under its own steam.
For the first time?
Uncut, yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel like I need a pint. Let's try.
Should we go get Rob?
Let's go and get Rob.
Let's go get Rob. What's that? Hang on. Yeah, what's that way? Got it. We're all absolutely buzzing because he's just sent it up the road. He's now turning around, so we've got to get a good clip. He just laid some pretty mega 11s down. I did tell him to take it easy. I don't think he heard me. You sort of hear it before you can see it. Here it comes. What a beast. Where is he?
He's in there, look.
What do you reckon?
That's amazing.
It's a pretty big moment. It's pretty lively as well. We'll try it in second gear.